Hello guys, welcome back into this epic video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Xbox Series Elite 2 controller. This is an expensive bad boy. So you're going to see a list of things that you've already seen on what's coming. So first is the unboxing, so let's get into it. So I'm going to take this epic Xbox view. It's a pretty chunky box. It's a pretty chunky box. It's pretty big as well. I don't know if you can see on the camera because the way that I'm seeing the camera right now. So here we have this thing. Make sure you have, if you're a child, make sure you have a pair guardian to unbox this for you. Now here we have a nice little pull tab, so I don't even need it. So let's peel it out so you can see garbage. Now I think the way this opens, I don't know if it's like this. How do you open it? I think it might be like jam it, like open like this. I might need to see a tutorial. Does it say this? Oh, there's one at the bottom as well. Make sure you see the one at the bottom. Let's just peel. Man, the bottom one was not good. Not gonna lie. It had some resistance to it. The box it feels kind of heavy. So I don't know how it is. This is the inside of the box. So there's a barcode there. It's the main box here. I'm gonna keep this box, to the side here. It's a beautiful piece of art. You have the main Xbox case here, which is not actually that heavy. My first time feeling it. There's a USB port over here, and a zipper, which, it's a decent zipper. I think I've just seen some better zippers. The logo very nice and soft, nice feeling. We'll keep this one to the side for later. Keep it right here. It's the main box. Let's see if there's anything under. You can peel this up. Under here, anything? Nothing. Okay, so I guess this is basically garbage, but I'm gonna keep the box. Over here we have this bitch. So this has a cable in it. Doubt I'd ever use a USB cable like this, but it has a cable in it, just for sure. I think it was like this. And then we have the documentation, which let's take a look at. But you can skip ahead because documentation's boring. It's going to be a very silent documentation. Open it. So like that. And then you have the documentation. And I just want to make sure that I don't give away my Xbox if I have any Game Pass codes. So I'll just make sure this has Game Pass codes. So a quick cut. Okay, so this one doesn't have any Xbox Game Pass, unfortunately. For a control that expensive, I feel like you should be given Game Pass with it. This one has some warranty and your overall general and what the product is. This one is your user guides, how you connect it, what are the different things. Here is an interesting bit. You guys cannot see this. Great. Anyways, I'll just read out. This is the components included. There's a controller, carrying case, a wireless charger, USB-C cable, the back panels, the different types of thumbsticks and the D-pads, and the thumbstick adjustment tool, which you won't find on a core one. To be honest guys, even though the core is a little bit cheaper, I wouldn't recommend buying the core because the core doesn't have any of the essential features, especially the back paddles. Like, the back paddles are the most important thing ever. So we're gonna keep this also back in the cable, in the box, and we're gonna take this bitch and we're gonna put the box back in here. Silk, this is the most edited video ever. Oh yeah, forgot this bit, but I'll put it back right now. Okay guys, so now we are back on this box. Spin around, quality, and let's see if this actually tucks in over here. So we'll tuck it in. So sorry guys, this viewing angle on this. And then let's take a look. Let's open it. First hand. I'm actually saying this as you guys are seeing this on the camera. Let's take a look at the nice case. Decent. I wouldn't always keep it in here. Whew. This is the controller, guys. The paddles come pre-assembled. Clicky. I'm gonna give an ASMR bit anyways. This has an Elite Series 2 writing on it and a wireless charger, obviously. It feels very rubberized, and I says the back over here, this bit is also pretty rubberized. All of this is rubberized, pretty metallic. These triggers feel at the lowest place, at the default setting, they feel the exact same as the normal one. Nice metallic finishing over here. The buttons also feel a little bit more clickier than the normal one, but still feels the same. The back pulse, oh, this control is a beauty. Thumbsticks brand new, although they feel a bit rough. They're tiny thumbsticks. They just come off, guys. Like, that's so insane. I'm used to plucking these things out, especially when I'm playing, because not on a normal controller. But okay, if you see me pausing a little bit, that's on purpose. I'm so tired. So we'll keep this controller in the box. No, I'm just kidding. This is a very relatively small controller. You have the profile button, which is very clicky. Not as clicky as it's not as easy as to press the share button. The two buttons, they feel awfully used, to be honest. The face buttons are decent, and then this feels brand new. This feels great. I don't know though. This doesn't feel like the normal D-pad you get. And then you have the other one stick that you can choose. These are awfully small. Okay, so we'll keep this on the other side, and then we have the wireless charger, which is, I guess, the hefty bit of the controller. It's really hefty. You have a nice little pad you can peel off, pretty glued down. It's pretty hefty. You have like a rubber bit over here, and you can plug it in here. So that's great. It's magnetized, I'm pretty sure. Let's test it. Oh, okay. It's magnetized, I think, because it just magnetizes onto the case. Next, we have the first bit of different thumbsticks. They're not necessarily long, but they're okay, I guess. I guess the same ones. And then you have the different types of thumbsticks. And then you have a really long one over here, so I guess that makes a difference. I don't know, I'll have to see. This is the main thumb stick adjustment tool. So that goes like this, and then we have the different D-pad right here. Let's check that out. Controller's right here. We just pluck this D-pad out, which it sits awfully light, and you can just put this in its place. It just sits on, and then you just automatically manually attach. I do prefer that one on the old controller, like this normal one, but this one feels good on this one. I don't know. I might have to check my preference. This is the main power button, very clicky. So my Xbox is downstairs. I'll go set it up and come. This is how it just magnetizes onto that. So the rest bit on the software side, I'll show you guys later. So now we're on to the setup process. It's pretty simple on how you would connect a normal Xbox controller. Hold down the button, the pairing button, and then just go and hold down the pairing button on your Xbox, and it automatically pairs it up together. Once you do that, however, it'll give you a little title screen on what the controller does and how it's good for pros, and then it lets you name your controller. What I have named this Black Diamond. Okay, so that once you come to the screen, in that screen you can click on configure, which is the main important, and then you can see on the side over there, the blue bit, you can see 3 different screens over here. These are the default ones. You can't change these directly. You're gonna click on new profile. Now let's just name it as profile 1, and then it'll then take you to this screen. You can change the adjustment. Just click A on this and you can change it. There's a shift trigger, which we don't want to get into now, maybe in a future video, because I have no idea what it does still. You can change your left stick and all. What I do recommend if you're playing Forza is you put it into smooth, and then you just go through all of this, and then over here you can change the color of the Xbox logo on the controller. Currently, as it shows, it's white. Let's change it to something like yellow, and it comes up as yellow. As you guys can see on the controller over here, it's coming as so. It might be a little darker because I'm taking the contrast of the video, but I will show the color of my Xbox as you have already seen the thumbnail and also in the B-roll later on.
So you can do all of this, and after you're done with your mapping, just click B to go back, and as you can see, profile 1 comes over there. Now let's say you want to get into one of these 3 slots right over here, like over here, the default buttons. If you want to do that, you want to save it to the 3 default buttons, all you have to do is go on profile 1 and then just click, instead of that no slot, just choose slot 1, slot 2 or slot 3. It'll override any of the slots that are already present there before, so be careful if you already saved one. So that's what the overall accessory app is. I hope that was really informative. Time for some ASMR. The Xbox Elite controller is great, but it isn't for everyone. If you're someone that really wants something that's hefty and premium, then go for it. But this controller is good for only people who play FPS games or third-party shooters. If you want to play Forza, then no, don't buy this. Instead, save up for a wheel or just buy 3 of the normal controllers. Now, here is some B-roll.